since he took over as the Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi has tried to project himself as a common man CM. I am accessible to all was one of his main pitches as he tried to woo voters. But look at the pictures on your screens. Shocking. The women on your screen right now are being manhandled, dragged. They were gagged. There were policemen putting their hand over their mouths. They were eventually detained and are qualified but jobless teachers. They came to this venue to make their grievances heard, to get an audience with their accessible chief minister, possibly to get some sympathy and a resolution. Instead, they were evicted by force only because the CM wanted to speak only of his achievements and not be bothered by these voices of dissent. Is this not clear proof of high-handedness? And is the Congress that talks about dictatorship and the muzzling of free speech in our country endorse this literal muzzling of people asking for their rights?
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Sanju Verma continues with us, national spokesperson of the BJP, advocate Kapil Madan, lawyer and Congress supporter. And my first question is to you, Mr. Chaudhary, since you were so vehemently talking about good behavior and bad behavior 30 seconds ago. What happened to the common man's chief minister? Earlier he said कि जब लोग आते हैं और चिल्लाना शुरू करते हैं, DJ बजाओ उनकी आवाज दबाने के लिए. Now you literally want to gag them with the police. What's going on?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, one thing, Padmaja ji, you must understand, Channi Saab has taken oath just 2 to 3 months only old. Whatever has happened for the last 4.5 years, because of the poster boy of the BJP,
my friend, this
Captain
policeman
Amrinder
who
Singh,
is gagging a woman is not on Amrinder Singh's payroll.
No, let me finish.
He reports to the Punjab government.
Let me finish.
And this happened while Mr. Channi is CM, while he was present within 500 meters. Mr. Channi knows very well. It was he who passed an order saying DJ should be played while people are protesting to drown them out.
Lathi charge by the Uttar Pradesh police.
See, but that is the problem. Now you will come back and you'll be like, oh, but Yogi Adityanath is also doing it. So then let people elect the BJP to power in Punjab.
कोई दूध का ये नहीं, ma'am. No, let them come to power and solve this issue. Their own poster boy has spoiled the development of Punjab for the last 4.5 years. Now
how does that excuse a police on the instructions of the chief minister gagging people?
He's opening up cement plants, he's opening houses for the EWS sections. Then there comes in this teachers problem. This teachers problem cannot be solved. We have set up
some
200 crores projects in each districts have been announced in Punjab.
Them.
People are having a new development outlook out there in Punjab.
I'm sure, sir. This looks like a very new development for sure. Earlier we had seen lathi charge, water cannon. Now people are literally shut up. So this definitely there is development in Punjab and new developments. I'm not sure these are very good developments, but definitely new developments. Sanju Verma. But again, the same reason thrown back at you, you also do it. Sanju Verma.
No, let me. I said what I had to in the earlier debate. Now we are talking of Punjab. I want the Congress panelists to hear this very clearly. I'm repeating as verbatim what the additional district magistrate of Sangrur said, because it was in Sangrur that teachers were thrashed, female teachers, ladies were thrashed by male policemen. Their mouths were gagged. You know what A.S. Dhaliwal, the Sangrur ADM, has said? He said it is shameful that protesting teachers were thrashed with brutality and treated with inhuman behavior in full public view, which grossly violated their human rights. We have ordered a judicial probe. A. Dhaliwal himself says that what the Channi government did was shameful. You are thrashing teachers for asking for their dues. You are thrashing teachers because they stood in solidarity with the youth who protested in Mansa because they were not that teachers, because some of them have arrears which have not been paid for the last 3 years. Shame on you.
Kapil Madan, ladki hu, lad sakti hu is the rallying cry of Priyanka Gandhi in Uttar Pradesh. तो उत्तर प्रदेश में लड़कियां लड़ती हैं और पंजाब में पिटती हैं.
पद्मजा जी, मैं आपको आपकी बात का जवाब दे दूं। पहली चीज, I want to tell you here, if you see in contrast, no leader has made any kind of statement which is disparaging. We are always in favor of free speech. And if you see, I don't want to make it, Yogi versus Channi ji here, but I just want to, explain and, tell the viewers here what is the mentality of the UP government.
No, just a second.
Just a minute.
Everyone, don't explain mentality of somebody else. You first explain to me the mentality of the pictures that we see. Nothing could be more sadly ironic than you sitting here and waxing eloquent on free speech while we have pictures of people being pulled with hands covering their mouth. Where is this man's free speech?
अपनी बात पूरी करने दीजिए। आपने किसी भी कांग्रेस, संजू जी, आपका नाम कपिल कब से हो गया? आप मेरे को बोलने दें, उसके बाद आप रिस्पॉन्ड करें।
उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री बन गए जब से
किसने बोला है? किसने बनाया?
No, Sanju Verma, let him answer, because people will get away with this tutu meme and eventually we will finish our time. My question to you is very simple. You are saying Kapil Madan, nobody made a disparaging statement. स्टेटमेंट की जरूरत कहाँ है जब आपका काम पुलिस कर रही है, लाठी मार रही है, मुंह ढक करके भगा रही है, तो आपको स्टेटमेंट की जरूरत ही क्या है?
आप पद्मजा जी, आपको खट्टर जी की, जैसे खट्टर जी ने बोला कि डांगे मारो किसानों के सर पे,
तो आपने मार दिए डांगे। आपने टीचर के सर पे डांगे मार दिए। आप में और खट्टर जी में कोई फर्क नहीं है ना फिर? तो आप वहां पर क्यों फ्री स्पीच का भाषण दे रहे हैं? मत दीजिए आप भी।
ऑल आई एम सेइंग हियर, पद्मजा जी, सबको फ्री स्पीच का अधिकार है। एवरीवन हैज अ राइट टू एड्रेस देयर ग्रीवियंस। वी डोंट कॉल देम। संजू जी, मेरी बात होने दें।
You said everyone has the right to free speech. Do these protesting teachers have the right to free speech? No, you're not answering my question. Do these teachers have the right to free speech?
Of course, I am with you.
तो आपने उनका मुंह क्यों ढका?
All I am saying, अगर वहां पे ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंट हुआ है जिसमें अगर कोई सच्चाई है, एक्शन विल बी टेकन।
इसमें सच्चाई है? What are these pictures of? What do you think these pictures are for?
We are not like BJP.
Well, it pretty much seem to be. आप जिस चीज का प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, वही चीज अपने कांग्रेस शासित राज्यों में करते हैं। You do exactly in your states where you are in power that you accuse others of.
पद्मजा जी, आप मेरे को बात पूरी करने दें।
You lathi charge people in Jharkhand. You lathi charge protesters in Chhattisgarh. You haul away people in Punjab. Then you sit in front of Parliament and do bhashan on free speech. It's not going to happen that way, sir.
आप मुझे 30 सेकंड दे दें। आपने क्या चन्नी जी को सुना कि इनके सर पे डांगे मारो? किसी ने ऐसा
तो पुलिस पागल है क्या वहां पे आके डांगे मार रही है?
आपने सुना? आपने सुना?
तो आप जो है डीजीपी को कल सस्पेंड कर दीजिए। अगर डीजीपी अपनी मर्जी से ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशन कर रहे हैं, उनको कल सस्पेंड कीजिए।
आपने कोई ऐसी स्टेटमेंट सुनी? आपने कोई
एक्चुअली
ये एलिगेशन मिला?
एक्चुअली
एलिगेशन है?
चन्नी जी ने बाकायदा ऑर्डर दिया दैट यू ड्राउन आउट पीपल्स क्राइज बाय प्लेइंग म्यूजिक। चन्नी जी ने ऑर्डर दिया ये।
पद्मजा जी, क्या ये किसी भी स्ट्रेच ऑफ इमेजिनेशन से ये समझा जा सकता है कि वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि किसी को जाके गैग करो? अगर किसी पुलिस ऑफिसर ने अपनी अथॉरिटी एक्सीड की है, वी आर नॉट लाइक बीजेपी. We will not shamelessly.
Sanju Verma. So the chief minister is not to be faulted. This is the police running wild.
And then you are trying to give a morality to BJP. चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी ने जो किया है, उसके लिए माफी मांगना तो दूर की बात, यहाँ पे आप माफी मंगवाइए।
आप माफी मंगवाइए।
Your additional district magistrate
गाड़ियों से लोग उड़वा रहे हो।
that police behaved in a brutal manner against women protesters. So stop lecturing and start apologizing. Stop lecturing and start apologizing. Punjab mein
sad state of affairs when even the basic recognition that what happened is wrong is not there. You can try and palm off the blame onto the police, but these pictures speak much, much louder than words, and it's very clear what the intent was and what the action was. Now, if you really want to address it, fine. If not, like I said earlier, the people are watching and elections are just a few months away. You will hear their judgment at that time. Thank you very much, all gentlemen, and Sanju Verma for having joined me from two ends of the spectrum. You've seen two types of politics here, right here on the News Hour agenda.